Hey guys, my name is Anchal Vic and I'm here to give you some guidance for what's coming next in the month of November for you. So, all you need to do to receive your reading is choose from numbers 1, 2, or 3, and then we're gonna begin your reading now. So, I think I'm gonna be using two decks for our reading today. So I'm going to be using the Moonology Oracle, and then I'm going to be using this Love and Light deck for you guys. I think that it's been some time since I've used this deck, so I'm very excited for the messages coming out. So all you need to do to receive your reading is choose from numbers 1, 2 or 3, and we're going to begin your reading now. So for those guys who have chosen the number 1, I am getting for the month of November, you need to really relax and you need to become still so you may hear God. So these are the messages coming out for you guys. So I feel that you just need to relax, you need to let go of things and trust the universe to have your back during this time. I also feel that you have been putting in a lot of effort and you're going to get the results of this very soon. This could be either in your love life, in your career, in your health, mental health, anything that's been taking a lot of your energy. I feel that very soon you're going to be rewarded, but you need to learn to let go. Like, just relax, take time with this. And the second message over here is become still so you may hear God. So this is asking you to connect with divine or whatever energy or whatever spirit guides that you believe in. You don't have to necessarily believe in God to connect with this energy. I just feel that you need to find this patience within, self-love within yourself. You need to just realize that a lot of good is coming your way. Your efforts are being seen, you are being seen by the universe. For some of you, I also feel that being around nature will really help you right now. If you spend some time around nature, you will feel really relaxed, you will feel recharged. A trip might also be a good idea in nature, and the color green and blue are really standing out in both the cards for you guys. So I hope that you could relate to these messages. Now let's move on to number 2 and see what is coming for you next in the month of November. So I am seeing a lot of love cards over here. This has to do both with love and self-love. So for the first message, I am getting that make some time for self-love, and over here I am getting that see everything through the eyes of love. So I feel that maybe you are very self-critical at times, or you are very harsh to yourself. So I'm just sensing that in the month of November, you need to focus more on yourself, your inner healing. You need to focus on taking it slow. But I am feeling that a lot of love is coming your way. It's possible that you might reconnect with people from your childhood, or you could reconnect with certain people who really uplift your energy. This is a month where you are asked to find yourself again. I don't know how this would translate with you, but I'm just feeling that make yourself a priority this month. This month should all be about you finding that love within. And if you want finding that love outside too, I do see for people who are looking to settle down, or for people who are looking for love, this is a very good month for you. I feel that you could be attracting new opportunities in love, and overall just a very light and positive energy coming for you in the month of November. So let's move on to number 3, and let's see what's coming for you guys in the month of November. So over here I'm getting this twin flame energy card, and then there's this compassion card. So I am feeling again that for people who are wanting to manifest love, very good energy over here. I think that it's possible that you could be connecting with somebody new. If you are already in a relationship, then this card just means that your relationship is going to go very well. I feel that you are going to find balance, you're going to find peace with your current partner. And I'm also feeling that you need to be more compassionate I see forgiveness coming for certain people. I feel that you could be attracting a lot of forgiveness your way, and I'm just feeling that you need to be more kind and loving towards everybody who's coming towards your path, and first with yourself. I feel that spend some time alone, maybe around water, or just give yourself this time to relax. I think that November is going to be your lucky month. You could be attracting a lot of career opportunities your way. So just keep your heart open and your mind open. And thank you so much for watching.